Hi guys, I was gifted this cordless robotic pool cleaner from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Now the runtime on this is about 120 minutes and it'll clean a pool of 1,076 square feet. This does have dual motors and it does have automatic docking with hooks for easy removal. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. All right, that's how it comes, all packaged. Got some foam in here. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it and then show you how it works. So after you get it, you gotta open up the canister and that's where the hook is for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. So this is it charging. The light kind of pulses. That's how you know that it is charging, and this is the on-off button. So when it goes to solid blue and stops pulsing, then we know that it's ready to be used. All right, it went up the wall, and then now it's coming back. So it's kind of like one of your cleaners that you would have in your house to clean your floor, but this thing's doing the cleaning in your pool. So it's moving along pretty good. Let's see what happens when it gets over to these leaves. Yeah, it's picking up some of those leaves. So, all right, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, I wanted to show you all the dirt and grime this thing has been picking up. I will say that it's probably not the best for like big leaves like this. And it's more for, you know, sand and dirt and stuff. The flaps just aren't big enough to get the big leaves, but that's probably to be expected. But so far, I'm happy with it. My pool is a little bit cleaner. Obviously, my pool is extremely dirty, so it's going to take you know, multiple passes with this guy. I feel like it's more of like a you know, to get the dirt, like a daily cleaner type of thing, you know, like your Roomba would be. So all in all, I like this little guy. Once I get all the leaves and stuff out, it'll be good at maintaining the cleanliness of the pool. I like that it comes with a hook to grab it when it runs out of battery, and it's going to work great for me. So if you guys need a pool robot like this to maintain your pool, go ahead and get it. Thanks.